Ocwirkgasse 7 in Vienna, Austria, staircase, or Floridsdorf, and staircase 2. I have to check it here later. Basement. Serial number is AK 50014. Light is broken, and the basement light also. Staircase 3 and 1 have been modernized, or at least one of them, but I have to check it. Floor. At least the deserter is still original, and the deserter is rope hydraulic. Eight brossa 630 kilograms. Basement. Ocwirkgasse 7 or 9 has Otis elevators, cheap model of Otis 2000, and building 11 has, and there are 6 of them, I think, and building 11 has 8 Schindler elevators with Schaefer fixtures. I don't have time to film them. Inspected by TÜV Austria and maintained by Schindler. Ground floor button is working, or the light. That's